Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Today I'm cooking pundu cassava leaves from DRC Congo, from Africa, and everything I can put inside is the ingredient. This one, garlic, onion, red pepper, green peppers, everything is there. I will put fish, the name is malangwa. Now I want to blend my ingredient. Palm oil. The cassava leaves now is cooked. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you so much. See you next time. Bye.